Here's one stock I have my eyes on really hard this week. Probably not its shock, but it's ticker symbol GRAB. So let's look at this bad boy. Finally, I think we have the setup that we need. Again, I always tell people it's not so much the color of the candle, it's the shape and structure. So we came and made a beautiful double bottom here on the weekly chart. This is a weekly time frame on ticker symbol GRB, which means every candle represents a week's worth of trading, okay? So on this week, a month ago, we came down and made this bottom at 482. Last week, we came down and made a bottom at the exact same place. Now you can see we have this C pattern forming, which would finally lead to a breakout of this pattern that we've been in for a long time. Since, what would this be back here? April of this year? Yeah, April of 2025. We've been in this pattern since then. So, we have a fair value gap here that we need to get past in the 5s. If we can get past that and this double bottom confirms, we are going to finally break out past 6 into the 7s. Absolutely loving this chart. As you can see, the Fibonacci levels are here for us. The moving average, the 200 is still down here. The 200 EMA has started providing some resistance here on the weekly. We need to get past that. Let's switch to, oops, didn't mean to do the 10-minute. Let's switch to the daily and look at some of our key moving averages and levels here. So if we flip to the daily chart, which we did put down 2 decent candles is what I'll say. On Friday, don't love, or on Thursday and Friday, don't love the Thursday or Friday candle, but that is what it is. So our 200-day moving average is at 512, or 200 EMA is at 517. So that's creating a level there, right? That is now acting as what? Been acting as resistance. So a level that we really need to get past this week is 524, which is also the 236 fib on this Fibonacci sequence. So you heard it. We need past 524. I would be adding all the way down to $4.50. That 460 to 450 range is the golden pocket on this for the master Fibonacci sequence, which is simply just from this swing low to this swing high, this whole entire move. We've layered another Fibonacci sequence from here to here, okay? So 450, 460 is where I would add heavily again. Need past 524 for upside, and I would actually add into strength on that level. Peace.